like techno.
Mama.
Techno in my village. Yeah. Wow. You can sing for Africa. It's too much, Zari.
How are you doing now?
I'm fine. Get you one day.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I like the techno. This is your hair.
I come closer. I'm not techno. I'm not slim that you.
You're not techno?
Yeah. People mistake me as techno.
Well, you look like him now.
Yeah. Now,
is he your cousin or brother?
My man is. I'm nothing to him. I have not even seen him. But that guy, I be that guy fan.
I'm sure you look like him.
I did my problem. I don't shut the guy tire for Instagram. The guy don't reply. But one day the guy will call me. See, do you know the problem? Even as I'm coming, everybody say take it. Now I decided to form like Tekno.
You go collect though. You look as if you go collect. Me self, I don't believe now. You just tell me now the trip. You go use your office collect. A better office, use and collect.
How do you see my hair?
See your hair now, not Tekno now.
I wish I can see Tekno. I love that guy.
No, you are Tekno. Yeah. You Tekno in the Africa, right?
Okay, man. Do you know why? Do you know Mazi okay for?
Mazi Okafor's house?
Yes.
I'll show you now.
Mama!
Yeah, well, guy.
Let's go.
Tekno, one short thing will call you Tekno. Take the name.
There is nothing in this life that will stop me not to go and see him. I can't believe I saw Tekno today. And he even invited me to his house.
Shedugodu, don't make me angry. Why are you saying me? I said it wasn't the both of us that saw him. And I said it wasn't the both of us that he asked to come. What is your problem?
Hey, Anwuli.
What is it?
I thought you have a boyfriend. Why don't you stay with your boyfriend and leave my bobo alone for me?
Don't allow me say Satan that will fire you.
Fire you too!
Anyway, I don't have time to waste with you. Let me go and prepare. I'll go see Malahaji Tekno. And you know what? He will sing Pana for me. Stupid girl.
Pana, nonsense. Come on, Malahaji. Don't go and meet your boyfriend. Not Yarike anyhow. You're looking for my trouble.
You are very sure. If I just enter there. Mama, thank you. Let me find. Hey, manage this.
Tekno. Tekno. Clean.
Daddy.
Clean.
Daddy. Mama, too much.
Thank you very much. You could come out.
Why not?
Mama di mama. Mama. Hey! Oi, come up.
Mama, I'm not a ghost. Mama.
Hey!
Mama, you couldn't mean to come and see.
My son is back!
Mama, let me tell you, this is one of my cars. I have 20 of these in Lagos.
Is this one car or...
Mama, this is Kajib. Say Kajib.
Kajib.
This is Kajib. Mama, I have made money.
Hey!
Mama, go. Mama, I want you to dance for me.
Hey!
No. Mama. Mama.
Come
No. Come inside. Mama.
Hey! You can know Mama.
Thank you.
Hey!
Mama, dance for me. Mama, dance for me.
Hey!
Mama, this is Monday. Mama, this is Monday.
Hey!
Mama, come here. I'm coming down. It's not really like this. Mama, do you know what? Let me see you. Make an app on the logic. Come on, Mama.
Hey!
Mama, this is Monday.
I wouldn't need it, Mama.
I have faith money.
Hey!
Mama, let's go now. Mama, go. Boy, you can. Mama. No. Mama, hang up. Let it go.
Hey!
Mama. Mama.
Hey!
Mama, money. Mama, money. Okay, go. Mama, Ekulumiri must hear this.
They must hear.
They must know that I asked our gum. Mama, have a gum home.
Hey!
Mama, see that? See no one. Nancy, shake. Mama, I need to slap my brother.
Please. Don't see you on this one. Please. Okay. Please. You tell your dance. If I go. It's fine on me. I will kill you. Don't kill me, please. You. You tell your dance. If I go.
My son, thank God for your life. Oh. Do you know your uncle Titus came here and told us you were involved in a motor accident years ago?
What?
Yes.
Mama, I can't hear you. Mama, can you come again?
Yes.
That our uncle is a wicked uncle. Okay, let me tell you. Do you know what really happened? That man sold me to slavery in Libya. Yes. Not even Oribo. Oribo, come on. Mama, those people are using brags. They say they are kidding me. They do many things to brag. If not for God, I managed to struggle out, escape. Mama, still let me tell you, thank God for God that brought out a good separator that took me to Lagos to learn trade for many years. He settled me. Now I have my own business this thing. Money is not our problem, Mama, and can never be our problem.
I say,
Mama, You will never laugh.
He say...
Do you know why? I'm back. Mama, that's what's really happened.
Nah. When did you go? Can let me go inside and get you something to eat, you know?
Mama, it's like you know what I want, Mama. Man, I'm very
my only son.
Mama, it has been long, man. Yeah. Sit down.
Nai, you know me very well. And I love your daughter so much. I can't hurt or embarrass her. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sure someone somewhere is against my relationship with your daughter. I'm innocent.
Matthias, I believe you. I believe you. But my question is, who could that be?
Nai, I don't know. But trust me, I will still figure that out. All I need now is your consent so I can ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Of course, you already have my consent. But the problem you and I have is no other person but my daughter. She is very angry with you.
No, that's why I'm here. I need to talk to her. Please, where is she?
She's at the back of the house.
Excuse me.
Oh? Love won't ever.
Continue, I miss you more. Oh, I can't wait to be with you again. You know you should come to Nigeria. It's actually fun down here. Oh, come on, you're so bad. You're so bad. Let me talk to you. Right. What are you doing here?
Baby, listen to me. Someone somewhere is trying to ruin our relationship. I can't possibly propose to you with such a thing. Please. I'm innocent. Forgive me.
Well, it's okay. You're forgiven.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No, sorry. I'm wearing white. You can go.
Oh, you forgiven me, right?
Yeah, you can go now. What are you doing?
Imelda, please. Marry me.
Are you joking? Oh, please. I can't marry you now. You here? I'm up here. You know what I mean? You're like, they're not the same class, you know? You know what I'm saying? So I can't possibly marry you. Moreover, I don't love you. We can't be together. As a matter of fact, I'm engaged to the love of my life over there in America. What are you doing? Dad! What is it? Are you acting? Oh my goodness! Dad! Dad!
Chioma! Where are you going that you're looking this beautiful and empty?
Is that why you stopped me?
And it's not like that. It's not that at all. I heard a rumor that Techno is in this village. They said he came this morning. Is it true?
Who told you that?
It's not important. It's not important. Just tell me, is it true?
My dear, it's a big lie. Because as we are talking, Techno is on a tour in America. And whoever told you that is telling you rubbish.
I'm a very big fool. Of course. I would have known. But anyways, let me go home now. May I let you go where you're going since you don't want to tell me. Greet your guy for me. Because I know you're going to see a guy.
You should have told me you're a guy detector. You could go where you're going.
Bye bye.
like someone who is pressed. What is happening?
Mama, nothing. I'm going somewhere and I'm almost late.
You're going somewhere? Where are you going?
Mama, I'm a big girl. I can take care of myself. You worry too much. Like I told you, Mommy, I'm in a hurry. I'll talk to you.
Yeah. When you guys are together?
Mama, when I come back, I will sweep it. Mama, I've told you, you are getting old though. Take it easy on yourself. Oh. I don't like it. Every time you get upset over little things that does not matter.
Better go and come back. Oh, he has a ready hand. When I come back.
Baby. No, my love. It's not like I'm busy again. Mommy sent me on an errand to my uncle's house.
Hey, I was thinking we'll go out today.
Yes, we're supposed to, but you know, I can't go against Mommy's wishes. You know? So maybe tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow I'll come.
All right. Just take care.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Hey. Mama, good morning.
Hey, Dikeh. Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Has Shoma gone to your brother's house?
My brother's house?
Yes.
Did she tell you she was going to my brother's house?
Yes. She said that you sent her on an errand to your brother's house.
Me?
Yes, ma.
Hey, I can't remember sending her to my brother's house.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay, I just forgot to tell her something. That's why I even came. But maybe I'll come back later.
Later you come back. Maybe I'll tell her you came.
Alright, ma. Okay. Alright, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, ma.
No. Bye-bye.
When did Shoma start lying to me? What happened?
Nai, I don't want to believe what I heard.
What did you hear?
I don't want to believe what I heard. Your daughter just finished me. Your daughter broke my heart. Now my life is shattered. Your daughter told me that she can't marry me.
Hi! Imelda has killed me.
She said we are not of the same class. That we can't be together. That she can't love me. To crown it all, the painful part of it. The most painful part of it tonight. She told me that she's engaged to someone abroad.
Engaged? Hi! Imelda has killed me.
That is something has to be done. Something has to be done, else I will commit suicide.
God forbid.
Commit suicide, though.
You can't. Please, don't ever try that. Don't try that.
I was trying.
My son.
You nailed a worm. What a worm. Mother.
Hey! Imelda has killed me. She has maimed me. Imelda, what did you tell Matthias?
The truth, Dad. I told him the truth.
The truth? What truth? The truth that you are engaged?
Yes, Dad. I'm engaged to the love of my life, Tyson. Don't worry, very soon he will come from America to see you.
Anofia, how many times have I warned you not to mention the name of that boy in this compound? How many times? Do you know how much and what this boy went through to make sure that you accomplish your education and abroad? Do you know? And you dare mention the name of that boy before Matthias? How would you feel if you were in his shoes? Hi! Imelda, you have killed me.
Dad, you actually slapped me because of that nobody? That classless fool? Me, your only daughter. Okay, listen, I'm not gonna marry him. It's Tyson that I love. He's the love of my life. I'm not gonna marry anyone else. Okay? Whether you like it or not, I'm going to get married to Tyson.
Imanda, come back here. Tyson, stop yagging, Sheba. Tyson, I get Woogie. On the job of a Kupiagana. I know you.
Hey! What a bonum. Kini came along as your man on Fokita. Hey! Kini Kanga Colune Matthias. Hi! Okwanalo. Hey! My God, this girl has killed me. She has actually disappointed me. Let's go now. Oh yeah. Hey, so this, I know you are used to this, right? And this one is for celebrity. Great things. So take one. So, you know what? I suffer for 12 good years. And my master settled me. So I start my own business. See, Mama, as it stands now, if I want, I will dismantle this house and rebuild another one.
You can't get with dismantle.
What to owner?
Yeah, what to know?
Yes. Mama, I have made money. I will call Julius Berger, DSS, Julius Berger, RCC, FCC, Mpo Building Association of Nigeria, Oboko Association of Nigeria, Awada, it them me all of them. Understand? So mama, it's money. Money is there.
Money you na window on my okay, for me to round it up,
I've made money. I'm not going to go. I have dollars. So mama, do you know what? Tomorrow morning, I want you to show me one of our homes so I can start building. Do you know P Square? In Ikori, they have a house called Twins House. Mama, Tam Uno, half of the money was borrowed by me. So, Mama, calm down. That's me for you. Quick, look.
Techno is my own. And it's white too. Very, very sharp. Hey! Techno is my own. Which Techno is yours? Nah, go and meet your boyfriend though. Eh? Mama. Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Ma. Good morning. Mama, we came to see Techno. He asked us to come and see him.
Techno?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Let me go and tell him that you people are here.
Okay,
okay,
Ma.
Okay. Thank you, Ma.
Techno is mine. Buy it. Techno is bad here. See, this place is mine. Now, go and look for your boyfriend.
Come on, get out.
Hey,
are you not seeing it? See it. What dear?
Techno. Hey! Hey,
busy body. How busy body is too much.
One ilele like
Chizzy Alichi.
na fiarike anyhow. Hey, akuna. Hey, one ilele like. Na ilele tosiko man. Hey, I don't know. Akuna, one naira. 50 kobo. One naira. 50 kobo. One naira. 50 kobo.
You are right?
Yes.
Techno will soon join you.
Okay. Yeah, Techno will be here. Bye-bye. My love, where are you going to?
Nowhere. Where are you coming from?
I tell you that my mom is sent on an errand to my house.
When did you start lying? Because I went to your house and your mom told me that you just went out.
Hey! Hold it there! No, what are you trying to say? That I am a liar, Okra? That I am lying to you. So you don't even have single trust for me. Why would you go and ask my mom where I went to? Eh?
What is going on?
Hold it! Hold it! I don't like it. I don't like it, Dikeh. Now I know that you don't even love me.
I just forget to tell you something. So I went back to your house to ask you and you were not there. So I asked your mom.
It's my fault. It's my fault that I stopped you. If I knew that you would accuse me like this, I would have just walked away. Rubbish. I even made a mistake to stop you. I would have just been going on my own. After all this time, you don't even trust me. Okay?
What I know. Maybe if you don't know, Kamadiji, I say, we put you on. Maybe if you don't know, Kamadiji, I say, put you on. Eh? My mother is full of Buddha because. Choma, please wait. It's not like that now, Choma. You don't have to know. Hey.
Babe, you know I'm scheduled to be in America. From America, I'll go and get my iPhone charger in Turkey. From there, I need to go and buy a recharge card in UK. You understand? So I don't have.
Are you serious?
That's why I live my life, maybe.
Hey!
I'm
telling you.
Yeah, it's not unbelievable. You need to believe, baby.
Hey.
You know what? If I go back to Lagos, I will call my agent so that they will start making papers for you. So you travel with me and don't just see.
Hey! Hey! Let's go, oh, let's go!
Chioma.
Mama, you scared me. Fine. Mama,
Are you sure you're alright?
Mama, I'm okay. I'm okay.
My child. Tell me the truth. Did you lie to Dikeh that I sent you on an errand?
Mama, I'm not even to talk about Dikeh, please. Please, Mama.
Do you mean you're not in the mood to talk about Dikeh? Huh? I can see you lied to him that I sent you on an errand. Though he tried to hide it, but I saw in his eyes that he was heartbroken. Tell me, John, did you really lie to him?
Mama, that's his business. That's his business. If his head broken. Mama, I just don't want to talk about Dikeh, but I can see that you want to keep talking about him. Mama, I'm going now. Excuse me.
Telling me you don't want to talk about it. You don't want to talk about it.
Please, don't kill me, please, I'll confess. Okay, I'll confess. Please, don't kill me, please, I will confess. Okay, I will confess. Okute, send me, Okute.
What are you doing here?
What is the meaning of that thing?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
What we did last time, what is the meaning? You think nobody saw us?
See, let me tell you, Ibe, how many times did I call you? Whatever thing that we did, let it be between me and you. I trust you as a friend. I don't want anybody to hear about it. Let it be between me and you. In fact, let it live with us and die with us. I don't want anybody, not even man, not even woman, fair or black, ejima or single. Let them not hear what happened. Let it live and die in me and you. I should trust you, Ibe. You understand? I don't want anybody to hear about it. Seal it. Let it be sealed. You got that? Ibe, come and go, come and go. Ibe, come and go.
You explain to me.
Come and go, come and go.
You explain.
Ibe, let me tell you, you are Ibe. That is Ikuni Ibe. You're supposed to reason like Ibe. Stop reasoning like a one-way man. Reason from the other side. I have always told you, Ibe, soak your brain inside cold water so that you can reason very well. Stop reasoning from the other side of your brain. Or the hammer for walking. It's not good for a man.
Okute sent me. Okute sent you. Yes, yes. Hey, please. Okute. Please. Hey, now give me, please. It's Okute. Hey, Okute. Hey, Okute, you will not kill me. Okute, look at what you've done to me. Okute.
Where are you both going? Dressed hot like this.
We are going to see somebody.
Is it only seeing somebody that both of you dress like someone going for party?
Yeah, baby. What's your problem now? Why do you like talk nosing? She just told you we are going to see someone. So what's your problem? Can we go?
Excuse me. It's not that you both are more beautiful than my Choma. It's just that I'm trying to look after you people. Just look at whom they can do. You look like prostitutes.
It's like you know how to palliate somebody. Eh? You better mind your business.
Every time Chioma.
Chioma na yansh. Let me tell you something. One thing you don't know is that just check out. Check out.
I don't see
you. Just check out. Adigodim sharp.
Ask me.
Adigodim sharp. Very, very sharp.
Who is Chioma? Is Chioma beautiful?
See, let me tell both of you. If you know what is good for you, you better go home and go and on
rest. Would you let go? Stop listening to this. You don't have time. He's a fool. Come on.
Hey!
Get out.
Choma.
Ekuke. Ta! Where can I feel you? You don't. Oh. Can you imagine? Hey. Let me even go and see my Choma. Hey.
What is the meaning of this just now?
So you have been the man head.
Oh,
you are my enemy. The enemy having this leg of.
So you have realized. Look, congratulations. There's no problem. But let me warn you. Let today be the first and the last time you will come into our music and interrupt it. Don't ever try it. Don't ever try it.
You have the guts to send someone. You sent someone to spy on me, Okute.
So you found out. Congratulations for finding out. You're even complaining. Let me tell you, Matthias, let today be the first and the last day you will do a thing like this. Any day you try this nonsense, I am going to deal with you. You're okay? You said I sent a spy on you. You're even lucky. I sent a spy. I should have sent spices on you.
Yes!
Are you serious?
You are serious?
I mean,
spy on me.
look at
you.
you.
Still have the guts to talk.
Who tied you up in this bush?
Please untie me, please. Please untie me and stop asking me questions. Please. Me, Ibe.
I'm sorry. Ndo?
Hey.
Sorry.
Please untie me.
I'm really sorry.
Hey.
Sorry.
Please untie me.
I'm really sorry. Ndo?
Hey.
Matthias, what happened to you? And who did this to you?
It's Okute and his Ogene boys. They joined hands together and beat me up.
Naginime! Eh? What did you do to them?
I found out that he has been the one kicking against my relationship with his sister.
Hi.
So I confronted him.
What kind of a thing is this? Okute, what have I done to you? What have I done to you that you want to kill my son for me? Eh? But Matthias, is that why you keep your face like a pregnant woman?
Mama wants all this now. Look at my face. You're supposed to be consoling me, not asking me questions.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? If you're only begging, no, small boys beat you up instead of you to beat them back. And you wear this long face and come back and say, I want to console you.
Go, Miss Wire. Go, Miss Wire, go.
What old woman? You be like a woman. Can't you beat them back? Are you not a man? That's what you told me. You don't think I'm a human, eh? Walking back to here, and never remember that is telling me. Number, I can't you again.
I know you don't want me to disappoint Matthias for all he did for me. But Dad, please. Do you want me to marry him at the cost of my own happiness? Your only daughter. Don't you want me to be happy? Dad, I don't love him. I don't have feelings for him. The black American man I told you about, Tyson, he's the one I'm in love with. And he loves me too. And he's rich enough to take good care of me. He's everything I want in a man. Dad, please try and understand. Please, Dad, please.
Sit down. Sit down.
Papa, I'm not an inflamed. I'm not senseless. I have sense. The last time I checked, everything was intact. And I noticed that you're my father and she's my sister. Which means I'm normal. See, Papa, I got involved in this thing because, I am somehow affected. Papa, you know, in my musical career in this village, nobody has ever said, okay, Okute, let me sponsor you or let me help you in your musical career. It was only Taxi who said, okay, look, young man, I'm going to help you, you know, see you through your musical career, musical challenges and all that. So he even assured me that, you know, he's going to make me actualize my dream. So, Papa, just come back to
shut up. Okuta say, shut up your mouth.
Yes, sir.
See, sometimes I begin to wonder if you are really my son. Yes. See, think of what you've been saying. Put yourself in Matthias' shoe and feel what he would feel.
Papa, my shoe, my leg cannot enter Matthias' shoe. My leg is
Dad, listen. Tyson is gonna pay him back, okay? He'll pay him double in hard currency, in dollars. Don't worry, he'll be well taken care of, okay? You don't need to bother yourself.
If I may ask, what does this so-called Tyson do for a living?
okay, Tyson. Tyson is a man who in America is, you know, is into...
John Ajononge, did I ask you? No, Yanjo.
Okay, Dad. Tyson is a businessman.
Oh, exactly what I wanted to tell you before I said I should shut up. I would have told you more about Tyson, but just said I should shut up.
He has lots of companies
in
abroad and here in Nigeria.
I even know the address of his company in Nigeria. He sent me the address.
My brother, this your car is sexy. If you dash me this car, I will stop talking to people.
Matthias, what happened yesterday? Do you show up now? As you say.
My brother, yesterday was a very bad day for me. As in, yesterday was the worst day of my life.
What's up?
Never mind. That's bygone be bygone.
Nah, yesterday I was bored. I was alone. I was looking for somebody to hang out now. Somebody like you.
So you want us to go and hang out? Hey, wonderful idea. But I have an emergency meeting. Just give me like 30 minutes. Either you wait for me or I will go and come back.
What will happen? Now I can't wait for you. See what will happen here? I have to go and come back.
Okay, no. Correct guy. Drop me. Ekpelanyi na-ekpenu wabu onye ọbụla lụọ ụlọ nke ya. Ayịya na yochukwu n'ụwa onye ọbụla lụtụ n'obibi. Nwoke lụọ ụlọ nke ya, akpọ ya landlord aza. Nwaanyị lụọ ụlọ nke ya, akpọ ya landlady ọmaza. Ijezi ikụfụla wee kụbazia maka na ụlọ bụ nke gị. Ịchọkwa ikpe ewu na ọkụkọ ịkpabazia maka na ụlọ bụ nke gị o. Ewo ya gazie. Olisa aka inayo no Olisa.
Daddy, it just happened.
What is it?
He has sent the money.
Who sent which money?
My fiancé, Tyson. I told him that we have agreed for us to be together, and he sent whooping 5 million naira for appreciation.
5 million.
Look at your laugh.
Hey.
See here.
Oh, what is you? Oh, what is you? 5 million naira. Oh, what is you? Papa, I
I told you that taxing is the best man for my sister. You thought I was lying. Look at only mere talking. That is conversation, appreciation, or pure 5 million. By the time he builds house for you, buy a car for you, even as a matter of fact, in my musical career, he will help me and drop my album. Papa, we have an evil spirit. Yeah, we have an evil spirit here.
Who invited him here?
This is I'm here to know your stand on what your daughter told you yesterday. I couldn't sleep. Matthias, as you can see, my daughter does not love you. Is it my fault?
Papa, don't be angry. I want to ask you, did you in any way tell Matthias that we need palm wine for this our merry making?
No.
So what is he doing here?
I don't know.
Matthias, he ain't here. What are you doing what are you doing here? And the one that gets me annoyed most is when you are talking to him. What are you doing here? Let me tell you, if you said you didn't sleep last night, let it not be that you have become a Balidegu. You've gone to rob somewhere and Ndinche are looking for you. You felt the best place to run into is this place. Let me tell you, if they come to this place, I will hand you over to them. As a matter of fact, go to your house. Leave this place. He is striker. You're supposed to wear tapper, not striker. Because you're a tapper. You're a power tapper.
It's okay. Brother, it's okay. It's okay. Listen, sweetheart. Maybe you didn't sleep last night because you were thinking about the money we are owing you, right? Okay. Good news for you because I don't have money. Oh, sorry. My fiancé. Hello, sweetheart. Oh, baby. Yes. Yeah, I'm fine. Sweetie, just give me a few minutes, okay? I'll call you back, alright? I love you so much. Okay. As I was saying before, I was interrupted, so I now have money, so I can pay you twice if you want. Just tell me how you want to be paid. In naira, dollars, or check.
I can tolerate anything, but not refund. What will you refund him? By right, if there's anybody who is supposed to pay balance, is Matthias. Yes! Refund. Your ears are growing up because you had refund. Let me tell you, you are supposed to give us balance. Yes, I can tell how many times my sister came looking for you. Each time my sister comes to your house, coming back, my sister one side, or Hamakibu. Do you have a hammer, dear? Because each time my sister comes to your house, she comes back with her waist to one side. Do you have a hammer? Papa, I don't want to. Okay, let me tell you, Matthias, you're supposed to pay us balance. Balance, my sister. Or haven't you heard about pay us? Haven't you heard about pay us? Pay us means so you have meted your money in any, and your money has gone in a unique way. So forget about anything. Pay us our balance. Okay? Why are you doing
Wait. Tyson is on video call. Say
hello.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey, Tyson.
He's
How are you?
He's grateful.
Yes.
See my brother,
the musician. We have a refugee. He's looking for asylum. Do you people have asylum? Or in Libya? No, we don't have transport.
Thank you for the.
Let's give him boys quarter.
Thank you for the 5 million. The 5 million. Thank you very much. We are good.
Sweetheart, my father is grateful.
Very grateful.
I'll talk to you later, okay?
Yeah, my father is great. Yeah. I'm greater.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Say like this. Who even opened the gates for you? Matthias, your name is Matthias now. By the time I finish with you, you'll be Tamaya. Lawao. What is it? No! Matthias, now. What's your problem? Look at what you're wearing. Win a battle. You cannot even win a battle. Win a battle, but you can't win a battle.
Matthias! Hey! Matthias! Hey! Matthias! Matthias! Don't! Matthias, please! No! Hey! Chico! Matthias, don't do this. Matthias! Hey! Matthias! Hey, Matthias, what is wrong with you? Why do you want to kill yourself over this? Let me ask you, what will you gain if you kill yourself? Matthias, talk to me.
It's a long story.
You have all the day.
It all started. Hey, baby, Malicham, I feel like crying for you.
Yeah.
Baby, you're so sweet.
Your mother's sick.
Hey.
Where are we going this evening?
We're going to that bush now. We're going to do one corner.
You don't like the bush too much.
Oh, belly.
Majai.
Oh, the non is belly.
Go, Chichi. Mama, but it's like my father is at home.
Forget about your father. Your father is old school. Forget about him. See, I feel like I will kiss you from morning till night.
No, I don't want him to see us go so that he will not see us.
He will not come back now. He will be somewhere drinking palm wine. Omalicham.
You have to start going. I don't want him to see us. So, I can start going.
Okay, I will go on one condition.
Which condition?
Another kiss.
This is my love. Kiss and you didn't kissing since. Now
I can kiss you for 7 days and 7 nights. Yeah, my Omalicha, just give me one last kiss. Send off kiss. Hi.
Hey! What is going on here?
Night, good night. Sorry. Good morning. Good day, sir. You're welcome, sir.
I'll come and see you. Go get in this house.
My love, I'll come and see you.
What are you doing in this house? And you Imelda. So you want to bring shame to this family? You want to bring shame to this family? Matthias, in this house again.
follow, not follow.
That scared me. What kept you? I've been waiting for you since.
I'm so sorry, my love. I had to do 1 or 2 for my mother before coming out, oh?
But I told you it was urgent.
I know, but I'm sorry. I'm here now. Please, oh? Omali Cham. Chai. I feel like crying for your love.
Okay. See, my love. It's good news, though. But I don't know how you're going to take it.
No. Say it. Once it's coming from you, it's acceptable. Just say it.
Okay. See, one of my uncles in US said I should come. I should come and stay with them. And they'll put me in school over there in US.
US? US?
Yes.
Hey, I'm happy for you. This is good news.
Thank you.
Wait, oh. Will you leave me?
Yes. I mean, no. Like, not like I will leave you. But I will go there and study and I will come back for you, my love.
No. This is good news and bad news at the same time. You will leave me now, US. Hi.
My love, I will come back for you. I'm just going there to study now. I will not live there forever. Oh?
When are you traveling?
In 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks? No, it's not possible. 2 weeks? It's too sudden now. They should make it 2 months. Yes, I need to run around, raise money and pay for your bride price before you travel. They should make it 2 months, Biko.
My love, it's not done like that. You know Igbo people, will I go and tell them? They booked my ticket already. I can't go and tell the white people to reverse it now.
These village people, they are against me.
Don't worry, my love. I'm coming back. When I come back, you will pay my bride price. Oh?
No, wait first. Wait. Okay. Can I come and pay your bride price on credit? I will pay later. I need to have peace.
Which kind of talk is that? Which one is paying my bride price on credit? I said I will come back and we'll be together. Oh?
Oh, no. This is good news and bad news at the same time. It's bad enough that you're traveling now 2 weeks again.
Okay, now. I have to go. My father is waiting for me. I just came to tell you.
Mata. No.
Oh. No, you sounded urgent. Don't worry, sir. This is where.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, I sent for you, my son, for something very important.
Now, what could that be?
You see, it's about my daughter Imelda. I got a call from my younger brother a few days ago. He said he has been sacked from work. Due to that, he cannot afford to pay my daughter's school fees any longer. And he's planning to send her back home.
No, this is bad news. This is bad news.
See, I really need your help. I want my daughter to complete her education there. She has only 2 years to complete her education. I mean, to become a graduate.
No, this is serious. This is serious. Now, what do we do now?
That is why I called you. That's why I called you. I don't know what to do. Hi.
Hey! Matthias, this is too much. This is too much, Matthias. Hey! Nah, nothing is too much. Hey! Nothing is too much for the Lord.
Wake up, Nash. Wake up, Nash.
Nah.
Wait. Let me take this inside before my enemies come. Oh.
Please, I have to go my way now.
Thank you, my son. God will bless you. God will bless me. Clean my ears.
Please, my regards to the love of my life when she comes. I will. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi!
Mathematics, Matthias. You know, I was actually coming to your place. So. It's like you're going for this thing. Good. Actually, Matthias, I came very certain. I wanted to come and say thank you enough. For I heard that you sold your land just to make sure that my sister completes her education over there. So I said, let me come and thank you specially for that kind gesture.
Ogute, nothing is too much for the love of my life. I love Omalicham so much, so I will go to any length just to make her happy.
Honestly speaking, I'm even sure when you say you can go to any length, I know that there is no limit to what you can do. Not only length, you can even go as circle as you can. Not only length, even width, everything. See, Matthias, I want to tell you something. Stop saying my wife to be. When you say my wife to be, it's as if you're trying to say you are, envisaging, you're expecting. See, your wife, she's already your wife. As a matter of fact, the moment she comes down from plane, after education, she comes back to Nigeria. From airport, wow, Mbobo, to your house. keep her for you. I don't need a soothsayer to tell me how much you love her for this kind of gesture. Thank you very much. God bless you. Don't mention.
That means you are my Ogo. Ogo, my in-law.
With dignity.
You know what? Let us go and celebrate this conversation.
I want you to promise me one thing. You know that song that they used to sing? Ike agulamu, ala ebena, otafo, masato. In every year, make sure you 7.
Every year 7.
Every year 7.
Let's go and celebrate this conversation.
Are you serious? Let me push you.
Yeah. Matthias. What is it? What is this that I heard? What have you done?
What did you hear?
Is it true that you sold your father's land?
Mama, it is not my father's land. It's my own inheritance. My inheritance, the land belongs to me. Yes, I sold it.
Why? Magagane?
My wife-to-be is stranded abroad. Yes, she's stranded. She needs money to complete her studies. So I sold my land, gave the money to her father so they can send to her. Simple.
Say, Matthias! Yeah! Come back here! Stand here! Matthias! The only land you inherited from your late father, you sold it just to please a woman, to impress a girl! Matthias, come here! Matthias! Can I hear that land? Go and show me the place! The person that bought the land from the... Matthias! Say! Matthias! Oh! Matthias!
What is it?
Mazukoye.
Yes?
What kind of charm did you use on my son that made him so stupid and foolish as to sell the only land for your daughter's sake?
Ijoma, calm down. It has not gotten to the level of shouting.
Oh, did I hear you say calm down?
Please.
He said, calm down. Now listen and listen good. If you know what is good for yourself, if you know what is good for you, return to my son so that he can reform those people and recover the land.
But I have used the money to pay my daughter's school fees abroad.
Esigene! Okoye! Say! Matthias Akafuolamo! Hey, Matthias! Okoye, you must refund that money. Else, we will die now. Where is the money? Matthias! Bring the money.
Ijoma, please.
You
want to hold me and hold me? Ijoma. You are going to hurt yourself. Ijoma, you're going to hurt yourself. You're going to hurt yourself. You will hurt yourself.
Bring that money.
You hurt yourself.
Bring the money now.
You are holding me. If I hold you, you will not be happy. The way I'm going to hold you, you will not be happy.
It's a hold.
The worst part of it is that I sold my inheritance. The only land I inherited from my late father, just to make sure she completes her studies abroad. My only plot of land. My only inheritance.
God knows the best. Okay? You don't need to kill yourself over this. But one thing I will assure you, as your best friend, Matthias, I will help you. I will help you. Take it from me. I say that I will help you.
Yeah.
Who was that on the phone?
It was a techno. He asked me to come to that place where we used to do rehearsal. He wants us to see.
Wait a minute. Wait. You mean you want to go see techno and you want to leave me behind?
What is the problem? Is there anything in the problem? Is there anything in the matter? There's no problem. Or is there any problem?
No way. I'm coming with you, baby brother.
Techno did not. When I didn't call you, it was me he called. He said, I am one or two. I am the one that have business with him.
I don't care. I can't. Let's go.
Yeah.